Welcome to ER Baking Equipment. I am Dan DeRocha, and we are here in the Baker's Lab, ready to talk about Tagliavini Modular Electric Deck Ovens. The Modular Electric Deck Oven is our customer's favorite oven. These ovens are commonly used for baking artisan breads, rolls, and baguettes, but can be used to make various hearth-baked products. What differentiates this oven from the rest of the market is its efficiency and its ability to bake evenly. At full power, at the max temperature with the steam on, our two-pan oven only has an installed power of 4.54 kilowatts and consumes as little as 1.54 kilowatts per hour during normal operation. This is achieved with Tagliavini's unique and proprietary power management system, which constantly monitors temperature and electrical needs, adapting to the recipe requirements while maintaining efficiency and even baking. In other words, no hotspots. Combining the power management system, superior heating elements, and highly insulated baking chambers gives the Tagliavini modular deck the edge on recovery times compared to the competing models. And unlike gas ovens, each deck can be powered on or off independently and operate at its own temperature. Each deck can be fitted with its own internal steam generator capable of producing multiple time bursts of steam. Included with each deck is an LCD touchscreen with 200 recipe capacity. You can add photos and build in all the baking steps to each recipe, developing a natural ease of use for your bakers. These recipes are transferable via USB to the other decks and across customer locations. You can control temperature, bake time, steam injection, and power to the top and bottom of the deck. You can also program preheating for each day of the week, so the oven is ready when you walk in the door. The modular design lets you add decks to your oven as your bakery grows. It can be built in configurations of up to 5 decks and can come in widths of 2, 3, 4, and 6 American sheet pans. Decks are available in 2 heights, 20 and 24 centimeters. Here in New Jersey, we stock 3-pan decks and are able to stack them to the customer's requirements. Other available options include a proofer base, a tray holder base, automatic steam release valve, and a liter counter for the steam generator. The oven can be used with a manual loader setter or can be equipped with an integrated loader. The oven comes standard in 208 volt, 3-phase, 60 hertz. Single phase and 240 volts can be ordered upon request. Something to keep in mind, you will need to plumb in water if steam is required, and drainage is preferred. Basic cleaning requires a small brush or hand vacuum to get crumbs and baked debris from inside the baking chamber. The glass can be cleaned with soap and water, and any non-baking areas can be cleaned with stainless steel cleaner. And with all our ovens, the Tagliavini Modular comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. For more information, please visit erikarecord.com.